Hey, welcome back to our MRAA channel. If you're new here, we're all about bringing you valued resources, industry updates, and helping boat dealers like yourself. My name is Shua Vang, and I'm a video specialist here at the MRAA. Today, we're going to dive deep into the importance of marketing through images and videos. Before we continue, please take the time to like and subscribe to our channel. It helps us a lot, and there are a lot more videos like this coming, so please hit that notification bell to get notified when our next one comes out. But with that out of the way, let's get to it. In today's digital age, a visual representation of your inventory isn't just nice to have, it's essential. Why? Because seeing is believing. High quality images and videos allows your customers to virtually step into your dealership and explore the beauty and detail of your boats, wherever they're from. It's about making you feel welcome before you're even stepping foot into there. People want to see what your dealership looks like, and you should show it off. And it gets better. By having your sales team create videos on specific products, you're not just showing potential buyers what you offer, you're personally guiding them through what makes each boat special. It's like having a private tour, giving your dealership a stronger, more personal sales pitch. Ever wonder what makes your dealership stand out? Take it to the skies. Drone videos offer a unique perspective revealing the scale, layout, atmosphere of your space. You can also use drone videos to showcase your inventory in action. Imagine this. A potential buyer is interested in buying a boat, but still hesitant on buying one. They then go to your website, see a video on your boat, and then see your boat in the water in action. That one drone video can be the deal breaker for someone to be buying that boat. But here's the thing. The world keeps spinning and boats keep evolving. That's why you should be committed to keeping your visuals fresh and up to date. Out with the old and in with the new, ensuring that they, your customers, see the latest and greatest things that you have to offer. Now, if you're as passionate about boats as we are, then there's more. Our exclusive memberships unlock a treasure trove of in-depth and comprehensive video resources on how to better market your dealership. It's about giving you the tools and knowledge to navigate your business with confidence. And with that, those are some of our tips on better using photos and videos in your dealership. We hope you got some good insight from this video, and we can't wait to share more with you. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you won't miss out on any other upcoming adventures. Until next time, thank you for watching.